Woman said to have paid $150,000 to have her sister taken out, while a fourth female has been charged.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A fourth female has been charged for the murder of 36-year-old Tamara Geddes, who was shot and killed in front of her 10-year-old daughter at their home in Reserve District, Trelawney, on Friday the 19th of June. The latest person to be charged has been identified as 33-year-old Tashana Young of a St. James address. Before that, the deceased woman's sister, 39-year-old Nadim Geddes, and her two daughters, 21-year-old Shanice Ruddock and a teenager, were charged. The four have been charged with murder and a conspiracy to commit murder. Nadim Geddes and her two daughters were charged after thorough investigations led to their arrest, beginning on Tuesday the 14th of July. Meanwhile, Young and a male suspect were taken into custody on the 15th of July, and she reportedly gave a caution statement to the police on the 16th. The male suspect is expected to be charged soon. As authorities intensify their probe, information is emerging that Nadim Geddes reportedly paid a sum of $150,000 for the killing of her sister. Reports are that after Tashana Young was taken into custody by the Westmoreland police on the 15th of July, she gave a caution statement on the 16th, in which she admitted to having collected $150,000 from Nadim Geddes, which she said she used to hire a gunman to kill Tamara. All four accused are scheduled to appear in the Trelawney Parish Court on Wednesday, the 22nd of July.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.